What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Sarah and this is video number 2 of our beginner prepper series. So in the first video, we talked a little bit about what is prepping, why you might want to start prepping, and how to start thinking like a prepper. And then we kind of went over a couple just basics, basic things that you want to make sure that you have lined up in case of an emergency. So the first thing that we're going to talk about, because it is the most important, is water. And what we're gonna do as soon as you can afford this or get time to do this is go and pick up some large jugs that you can fill up with water. So in the event that you know that the power is going to go out, or the water is going to go out, or the water is maybe contaminated or something along these lines, you want to be able to fill those jugs up right away. Okay, so you're going to get these jugs. You can go to like a camping supply place. Canadian Tire generally has things like this. Cabela's, Walmart might have something like this as well. You could probably order them online. So I'll link all that information in the description box below. But you're going to get a couple jugs, large jugs that you can fill up with water if things look like they're starting to go a little bit crazy. And then the other thing that you're going to start working on, again, as you have time or get the funds to do so, is lining up some kind of water filtration systems. If you're gonna stockpile water, but what happens when that runs out? Okay, so you wanna have some kind of filtration system where you can go get rainwater and clean it. I did mention the Berkey system. That doesn't require power, and it does clean water to make it drinkable. So that's another thing that I would recommend. So you're gonna go get some jugs, you're gonna get a water filtration thing lined up, and then you might wanna make sure you have a couple cases of water bottles. Just maybe have a case or two. And then if things do go crazy and you know, oh shoot, okay, I need to go to the store and pick up things, cases of water should be on that list. Number 1, okay? So that's the water scenario covered in a little bit more detail or depth. Okay, so that's the end of this video. We just literally just talked about water, but it's number 1, super important. So what I want you guys to do as your homework is just get out there and start tackling that. You're gonna go get the jugs, you're gonna get a water filtration system, you're gonna pick up a couple cases of water, and then you're gonna add water to your prepper list. So I will see you guys on the next video where we will talk a little bit more about food and making sure that you have enough of that. Thanks for joining me. Have an amazing day and happy prepping.